Hello everyone, welcome back to CryptoBuy YouTube channel. So in this video I will give you the best trading strategy to earn $100 per day. Not only $100, even you can earn $500, $1,000. The more you invest, the more you can get profit. So most of the time beginners don't know whether how to use technical analysis, how to use indicators, how to use price action. But inside this video I will use the best indicator and I will use the easy indicator that everyone can understand. So step by step I will show you how you can earn money online, so don't skip any part of the video. And now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about trading strategy, indicators, price action, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. So in order to use this indicator, in order to use this trading strategy, make sure go to tradingview.com, select any cryptocurrency that you want to trade. Okay, after that select your time frame. We have two types of time frame: a small time frame, higher time frame. A small time frame from 1 minute to 45 minutes. In small time frames, you have more chances to open your trade, but with a small profit. But in higher time frame, like from 1 hour to 4 hours, even 1 day, you have a small chances to open a trade, but with higher profit. Although you will get lots of profit, but your trading chances is a few, because you will not get lots of chances to open your trade. But in a small time frame, you will get lots of chances to open your trade, but with a small profit. So in here I will go with 30 minutes. One thing I should tell you, no matter you are using RSI indicator, MACD indicator, or you're using any other price actions, the higher time frame will give you the best result. The higher time frame will give you more accurate signal. So most of the time, if you are not doing scalping, if you are doing a swing trading, so I recommend you to go with higher time frame. But if you are doing scalping, so sometime indicators will give you a wrong signal, because only one indicator will not give you a correct signal. So that's why use two indicators. Beside that check price action, beside that check support and resistance levels. Okay, now simply click on indicators and then type in here RSI, because inside this video we will use RSI indicator, because RSI is the best indicator, and beginners mostly I recommend you to go with RSI indicator. First of all, learn about RSI indicator. Okay, now go to settings option. In here we don't need to change anything, because everything is fine in here. Click OK. But one thing I should tell you, I will turn off RSI based moving average. Okay, now click OK. So now how to use this trading strategy, how to use RSI in order to make $100 per day. So inside RSI we have lower band, upper band. This is the lower band, which is 30. This is the upper band, which is 70. So whenever the RSI just go below 30, like in here if you check, it means that there are lots of selling pressure. That's why the RSI is below 30. If you check the chart, you can see. So when you find RSI below 30, so just buy any coin. Open your long position, because the price will go up. As you can check in here, you can see how beautifully the price go up, and then you can check in here. So easily you can make profit. If I show you another example, so you can check in here, the RSI is below 30, even RSI is below 20. So in here you can see this level. So if you purchase any coin from this level, if you open your long position from this level, so you can see how beautifully the price go up, as you can check. Okay, if I show you how much profit you can get, 11% profit. So this is RSI will give you $100 per day. Okay, now let's talk about overbought. So whenever RSI is above 70, this is the 70 level, and you can check RSI is above 70. It means that there are lots of buying pressure. So suddenly you can see a selling pressure. Suddenly you can see the price will fall down. So RSI will give you the indicator. RSI will give you the signal that now the price will fall down. As you can check in here, from oversold, the price is now overbought. Now from here, make sure to open a short position Or if you are doing spot trading, make sure to just sell your coin, cash out your profit. You can see from this level how beautifully the price fall down. If I show you, about 6.84% profit. So overbought means there are lots of buying pressure, the price will fall down. Make sure open your short position or just sell your coin. Or you can see in here also the RSI is about 70, just touch 70. Again you can follow this. In here about oversold, RSI is just about 30. Again you can follow this method. Okay, now you can see RSI is about 70, so just open your short position or just sell the coin if you are doing spot trading, and you can see the price just fall down. Even you can see in here now RSI is oversold, purchase the coin from here and then sell the coin in here. Again from here RSI is about 70, sell the coin. If I show you multiple times, you can get the chance to open your trade. You can see in here the price fall down, book your profit. You can check RSI is below 30, it means oversold. Again purchase the coin, again sell the coin. Again you can see in here you have another chance of the trade. Just open your short position, RSI is overbought, just make a profit. So this is how you can earn $100 per day using only RSI indicator. So but one thing I should tell you about RSI, whenever you find RSI moving sideways means moving between two levels. The price is moving between two levels. So in here do not open any trade. As you can check, the price is just moving between two levels inside one rectangle. So this is a sideways, do not open any position. As you can check, you will not get that much profit. So the best point is to find the trend. Like how? This is uptrend. Just follow the trend. Just find any trend to make huge profit. This is uptrend. If I show you, this is downtrend. But in here, this is sideways. Do not do any transaction, any trade in here, because you will not get that much profit. So this was all about the best trading strategy to earn $100 per day, even more than $100. So if you use small time frames, you have lots of chances to open a trade with a small profit. If you select higher time frame, you have a small chances of trade with higher profit. So tell me in the comment section how you think, what do you think about this trading strategy? If you understand A to Z, just thumbs up, like this video, share this video with everyone so that everyone should make profit, everyone should earn money online. So this was all about the best trading strategy. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure just share your idea in a comment section. If you still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.